pull the tree down. Don't floor it, but I need you to steer this way. Yeah, and go slowly. Don't floor it. Go. Don't floor. Yeah, it's not gonna work. No, don't do that. Hold on, what the hell are you doing? Alright, try to do it one more time, but let off the gas when you're not, because I want it flipping. Alright, chill. That's a no-go.